In this video, I'll show you a foolproof strategy to go from $0 all the way up to $100 in crypto. We'll be using a combination of DePIN projects, crypto airdrops, and mobile mining apps to earn our first $100 without having to invest a single penny. Let's get right into it. Alright, before we get started, there's one thing I want to say. We'll be covering a lot of projects today, which means we'll be going over them quite fast. Now, I've actually covered every one of these projects in detail on my channel. So if you want to get a little more info on one of these projects, you can click the info icon right here. The links to all of the apps we'll be covering today are in the description of this video. Many of these links are affiliate links, so by using them you're massively helping out the channel while also getting some bonus tokens for yourself. Now let's get started with the first app, GoMining. GoMining is an NFT-backed crypto mining company. On the GoMining platform, you can build your very own custom Bitcoin mining machine, which will mine you Bitcoin forever. Now, of course, building a miner costs money. But GoMining also offers an amazing 16 terahash a second free bonus miner. This 16 terahash a second miner at an energy efficiency of 20 watts per terahash will earn you an average of 50 cents a day. Now, without any investment, there is a limit as to how long you can run this miner, which currently is 7 days. So in total, this gets us $3.50 to start our journey off right. Next up, we've got Ember. Ember is a betting platform. Now, I'm not much of a gambler myself, but what I am a fan of is Ember's daily rewards. By signing into the Ember app daily, you'll get up to 24 Satoshi tokens a day. At the current Bitcoin price, this is around 2.7 cents US a day or 83 cents a month. DePIN projects are another one of my favorite ways to earn crypto without having to invest anything. Most of these projects won't earn you a ton, but there is one project that I'm currently using to earn the most I've ever earned from a DePIN project. Let's take a look at some of my daily DePINs. First, there is Nodal. By using the Nodal app, we're helping build a global network of IoT devices. Your phone works as a sort of relay, connecting to any IoT devices it can reach. In return for this, you get paid in Nodal tokens. Your rewards vary based on your location, how much you travel, and how many IoT devices your phone can reach. For me, the rewards range between 20 and 50 Nodal tokens a day, averaging out around 27 tokens. That's just under a cent a day or 26 cents a month. But if you live in an area that's a bit more populated than this, you'll probably be earning a lot more. Uprock is a similar app to this. With Uprock, you can start earning with a single click. Your earnings will depend on your device, your connection speed, and your geolocation. For me, my average daily earnings are around 0.6 UPT tokens, which comes out to half a cent a day or 15 cents a month. And then there's Gauge. With Gauge, you can scan wireless networks and turn them into money. The more networks you scan, the more you earn. Users that qualified for rewards during the last round got a minimum of 80 chirp tokens. That's almost $6. Now, a Gauge round takes 40 days, which means these rewards come out to 15 cents a day or $4.50 a month. If you live in a busy area, you walk around in the city often, or you just drive around a lot, you'll probably be earning a lot more. But for now, let's stick to the minimum. Alright, we've now got $3.50 in our wallet and we're earning a monthly income of $5.74. But how are we going to scale this up to $100? Well, the first option is to just keep doing this exact thing. This way, we'd end up with $100 in 17 months. That's an option, but it's not a good one if you ask me. To grow our balance to $100 a lot faster, we're going to be making use of the 8th wonder of the world, compound interest. Alright, we're getting into a bit of a difficult segment here, with a couple of formulas and a lot of numbers. I know it's boring, but please bear with me. So, how are we going to achieve this? Well, it's actually really simple. We're going to be making use of the GoMining platform, which we just discussed. To get started earning compound interest on GoMining, we're going to need to buy a miner. The cheapest GoMining machine costs $27 US. But by using the code PD04S, we can get 5% off of our first purchase. And if you can remember, we've also already got $3.50 in our GoMining wallet. That means our first step is to raise $22.15. With our $5.74 in monthly income, this is going to take us just under 4 months. I know that's still quite long, but this is the hardest step. As soon as we've reached this point, we're going to buy ourselves a GoMining machine. We go over to the GoMining webpage, we click Create Miner, and we leave all of the settings at their default. This will get us a basic GoMining machine with a year-on-year profitability of 42%. But the key here is that we're going to reinvest our profits directly into more hashing power. Let's take a look at the results. Alright, we will have made our first $100 in a little over a year. Yeah, I know, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but this does show that it is possible. The real power of the GoMining reinvestment strategy is in the long term. If we take a look at the yearly charts, we can see that in the second year our investment could make us $130, then over $200, all the way up to $3,000 by year 10. After this time, our portfolio could be worth $10,000. Not bad for a $0 investment. Now, of course, this is all very speculative. Your rewards will vary on the Bitcoin price, the mining difficulty, and many other factors. But if we're not putting in any of our own money, why not try? If you're planning on trying this strategy or a strategy similar to this, make sure to let me know in our Discord server. And if you want to massively speed up this process, well, you can. All you have to do is include some more DePIN projects and maybe some pre-launch airdrops to your strategy. If you're looking for more projects to add to your arsenal, I can definitely recommend you checking out these videos. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.